MSSU is showcasing how the world of medicine is influenced by art. KOAM's Amber Jenkins has more.
Missouri Southern State University is hosting its first Artful Medicine Symposium, showcasing how art is influenced by medicine and vice versa.
Artful Medicine Symposium is touching on how art and medicine are useful when it comes to healing and healing processes, and then also what we do here in the art department is we look at visual training strategies, or VTS.
Visual Training Strategies, or VTS, is often used in medical humanities courses for students to improve observational skills and empathy.
I think anytime that we have projects or workshops or symposiums or seminars where it's interdisciplinary and we're involving multiple disciplines, I think that it's beneficial because it gets us out of our comfort zone and shows ways that we can, work together to address whether it's art, medicine, or just other issues. So.
The symposium teaches participants the connections between art, medicine, biology, and more.
Well, the arts and sciences go hand in hand with a lot of artists who are driven with the anatomical approach to art, and then some of the more science-based creative people who have shown today, they're doing more artistic approaches, so we're kind of feeding into each other's qualities.
Whitney is proud to showcase his art connecting creativity to medicine.
It is a little bit of an art therapy to be able to have this outlet, and presenting today has been wonderful because as an artist you rarely get the chance to talk about your work with people. It's shown on a wall and people look at it and move on.
Reporting in Joplin, Amber Jenkins, KOAM News.
The art department plans to sponsor another symposium soon. Some